Deny access to unauthenticated users with Django channels. I'm basically after a login_required/login required mixin equivalent for Django channels. The docs have an authentication section, which describes how to get a user, but it seems to miss the bit where you actually deny access to users who are not authenticated. How should I be denying/dropping the connection if messaged user is _anonymous is true?
Just do this. Denying the connection on connect attempt is as simple as this. Do not send the accept message at all if you don't want to establish a connection. Channels will close it automatically after a configured amount of time, 5 seconds or SMTH like that by default. If you do not want to wait and close the connection immediately, just send close column true instead. For the sake of completeness, here is the explanation from the channel's docs. Sadly, this information is not listed in the documentation itself, only in release notes to version 1.0.
I just look at